This is VIVO Y21S, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, enter the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can either initiate its installation directly from the search results, or open its app info page and tap at the install button over there. Now just give it anywhere between 10 and 30-40 seconds up to a minute for it to be downloaded and installed. The time that it takes directly depends on the internet connection that you currently have. And then once it will be installed, we can simply go ahead and launch the app. And when opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you perform a very simple setup. So firstly, tap at the continue button, then choose if you would like to enable notifications from Opera, or you can skip this step. Perhaps you would like to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can also skip it. And at this final page, you can customize the data collection preferences, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.